Hi friends, welcome to Madhu's Creative Hub. I hope you're all doing good. Today we are going to see a unique bottle art, which is this Ishwara's bottle art, Shiva's bottle art. Okay, I'm going to take a bottle art which has a logo on top. So I'm going to cover it first with the white acrylic paint. You can also use mixed media paste or gesso as well. These waste bottles are always lying around in the home, I'm sure, so you can try this art. Now I'm going to use sponge and color it with black only in specific area where I want the design to be highlighted, and remaining part I'm going to color it with yellow with the same dabbing technique. This dabbing technique gives a unique finish. So I took a Shiva's drawing from internet and traced it out using white carbon paper. So now I am going to take a thread and using Fevicryl I am going to stick around the design. I am sure you wouldn't have seen such bottle art anywhere on the internet till now. I hope this is a creative idea and you all will support these creative ideas. Please subscribe and like if you like the video. So I am going to cut bits and pieces and try to replicate the design using thread. This is a little thick thread. You will get this easily in any stationery shops. So like this I am going to cover the entire design. For now the glue looks too much, smudged, but later it will dry clear. See, now it got dried clear. Little small detailings I had to do, but I couldn't do that with thread because I didn't have such a small thread. So I am going to use acrylic paint and color them. So like this. So this is how the finished product looks like. It looks so beautiful, right? In the night it was looking so divine and serene. Hope you all enjoyed the process of making this. Please subscribe, like our channel. Thanks.